Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I'm super excited. Literally not even 5 minutes ago, I have been waiting for this package. I got my package in right now guys. I need to unbox it. I'm super excited. So if you did not know, I am a huge Coraline fan guys. You know, Coraline, from Coraline, you know, the Laika movies. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with those movies, guys. If you did not know, they just dropped a collab with Converse. Yes, guys, literally yesterday. And I just got my package in the mail. And guys, I need to open it. But I want to show you guys. Everything like sold out super quick. I think they did restock today. But everything's starting to sell out again. But anyways, okay, so I placed my order in, guys. I was in a rush trying to, get what I wanted. Look at the collab because, they show you pictures, but I want to see more pictures, before I buy anything. But yeah, okay, so I placed my order in and I got it right now. Oh my gosh. So I'm super excited, guys. I am a huge Coraline fan, guys. All the Laika movies, I love them all. But, oh my gosh, guys. 15th anniversary for Coraline. I went to go see the movie, in 3D, all that good stuff. It was so much fun. So cool, guys. Okay, I'm starting to blab too much. Let's just see what I got. So, I got my box right here. Oh my gosh. It's a little heavy. I did get two things, okay? There was just shoes. There was, I think, two tops, like a sweater and a shirt. So, let's see what I got. I got my handy dandy craft knife. Let's open. Guys, I was freaking out because I woke up like at 7 something yesterday, and when I went to the website, I completely forgot that yesterday was the drop. And then so when I went to the website, it was like the queue, and I was like, no, like I'm gonna miss out, like I was freaking out. Luckily, when I finally got in, I was able to, kind of look around and everything. Yeah, so that's a whole nother story. Okay, I got it open. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the hoodie. Yes. And I got a pair of shoes. Oh my gosh, look, it says 15th anniversary. Ah, thumbnail. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna look at the sweater first. So, comes in a bag. So I was freaking out about the sweater because, it was already like almost 8, and I was like, everything's showing sold out, sold out, sold out. And then for the hoodies, I was like hesitant. I was like, should I get a large or a medium because it's unisex? And I was like, okay, sometimes I get a medium, sometimes I get a large. That's what I hate about buying online. You never know what's going to fit, you know what I mean? And so I was like, damn it, I don't know what size to get. I clicked on the large, added to cart, and when I went to my cart, it's like sold out. And I was like, oh my god, no, what the heck? So my last option was the medium. So that's what I got. I got the medium. They only had a hoodie and a t-shirt. I didn't really care for the t-shirt. It was just a plain white t-shirt with like the Coraline. The hoodie, I felt like they could have done something better, but I was like, you know what? I need it. I need a Coraline hoodie. And it says 15th anniversary on it, So let's take a look. And I hope it fits. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, it says Coraline. No, Converse. Ooh, but they did it like Coraline. That's why in my mind I said Coraline. It says Converse and the lettering of Coraline. It has the hand with the spider web of the other mother. Look at that. With the Converse logo. Cute, right? It's very simple. I feel like they could have done more with this, but oh well. They knew they were going to sell it anyways, regardless what they put on this, And it does have the 15th anniversary right there on the sleeve. This is the right sleeve. Look at that. 15th anniversary. And it has the little buttons, like if it was a button, you see that? little buttonholes. And that's the house, the pink palace. Look at that. I just realized that. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, so, ooh, is it gonna fit? I don't know. It has the little tag right here. Coraline and Converse 15th anniversary. Guys, I can't believe it has been 15 years. Converse, Laika collab, gender free, loose fit. Has all the sizing. Converse, and then medium. Oh my gosh, let me try it on. I'm scared it's not gonna fit. It said the medium was an extra large to women's. Oh my gosh, I just noticed it says Coraline over here on the left. Coraline, look at that. So cute. I didn't notice that. It said the medium was a extra large to women's, and then the large was a 3X. I was like, what the heck? Let's try it on. Did I take off my eyebrows? Ooh, it's a little tight, but it fits. I do usually wear an extra large, but it fits. Yeah, I guess it's okay. I have a long sleeve. Every time I wear a hoodie, I usually have a tank top underneath. Okay, it fits, guys. Whew. Thank God, because it's sold out. Ooh, I'm so happy. Okay, now the shoes. Ooh, so what shoes did I get? So there was only 2 options for adults. And honestly, guys, I like the kids' shoes better. I was disappointed that the little kid shoes, you know, were not in the adult size, because those were even cuter. The adults, I was like, you know, the ones that looked like they were for the girls, I wasn't really impressed with the color on it. I'll post a picture or something so you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I was like upset, and I was like, I buy kid size, guys. I don't know if you guys do, but I buy kid size to save a buck, you know? So I was like, ooh, let me look at the kid size. Maybe they have a 5 youth. Those fit me, you know? They didn't have any. So I was like, damn it. They only went to like 3 youth or something. I was like, Converse is smart, you know? They know that there's adults that buy kid size to save a buck. But yeah, okay. So this is how the box looks. Ooh, little stars everywhere. Cute. That's the bottom. Okay. 15th anniversary. Converse, you guys could have done something with the wrapping. Make it like black at least, you know? So I got the Wybie ones. These, look. Oh my gosh. So yeah, like I said, I didn't really like the other ones. The ones with the color, like foil looking. So I got the Wybies. They're so cute. I was like, black. You can wear black with anything. Look at that. Let me take the other one out. So yeah. They just did plain wrapping. So these are the Wybies. In the ghetto. In the ghetto. Okay. So these are the Wybies, guys. Look at this. A close look. This is a size 8 in women's. I think it's a 6 in men's, right? I believe. So this is a side view. You can see it has Wybie right there. Look at that. This is the left shoe. This is the right shoe. It has Wybie as well. It has little lines right there at the bottom. The front, the shoelaces have like a distressed look. I'm guessing they're supposed to be like what he wears, right? Kind of similar. It has a little stitching right there. I'm guessing to go with the stitched eyes, you know, the whole look. It has like a little glittery strip right here. It's glittery. Converse All Stars with the little button eye right there. The inside, it has another button right here for the little logo. Very simple but very cute, guys, which makes it even better because you can kind of wear it with everything, you know what I mean? They're black. I wish I could have dropped this like before the movie so I could wear all this to the movie, but I can't. So yeah, let me see what else can I show you guys. The tag from the inside, it says Coraline. What the freaking shit is this? Oh hell no. Beach, you best believe I'm about to return this and get another one. Oh hell no. That's good I unboxed this on live so you guys can see. What the hell, man? I got evidence. Oh hell no. So yeah, and then this feels a little, this is all like rough. It's not like, what would you call it, like cotton? No, it's a little rough. Okay, anyways, yeah, I'm returning these. So yeah, men's 6, women's 8, Laika Coraline TM in 2024, Laika all rights reserved. Inside it says Coraline. Oh my gosh, guys, what the hell? That looks like somebody cut into it. Like, is the other one okay? Yeah, the other one's okay. Look at that. Oh hell no. Email time. So yeah, I got my shoes. Well, no, because I'm gonna return them. If I can get a replacement, who knows? We shall see. Why did I have to get the bad batch? I don't know. So yeah, now I'm kind of pissed. But yeah, guys, at least you got to see an up close look at some of the Coraline Converse collab collection. I got the hoodie and these Converse that I'm about to return. Hopefully I can get a new one, guys, because I really do like them. I like them. But yeah, why me? But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's a little bit different, guys, but like I said, I like to show you guys everything I love, and Coraline is one of those things. I love Laika movies. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching once again. Go check out my other videos. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't, if you already liked and subscribed. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Why did this have to happen to me? What the heck, man? At least I got my hoodie though. Cute. Can't even see it because my arms are so short. Represent. Bye.